Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here from Axion, and today we are at Hasport Performance in Tempe, Arizona, and we will be installing the Hasport rear mount on our 2022 Civic Hatch. So let's get started. All right, we got the mount out. You actually have to take the two mounting tabs for the mount out because the PRL downpipe is so big, and then it just slides out from that area. So 17 mils, and the mount on the sides actually has a 19 mil. Wanted to show you guys the dump tube since it's up on the left here. It's basically how it comes right out. And we are going to design a muffler setup for this so you can delete your exhaust and it's not crazy loud. We got the mounts out on the table. The 62 urethane. You see the stock and the Hasport replacement mount. Alright, we've got the stock bracket on here. And we're going to go ahead and put it in the car now. Alright guys, the mount's in. Just to let you guys know, this bracket here, you're actually going to want to pre-thread this bolt and this bolt in, leaving the mount off. And then the mount can actually slide in through this notch right here and then tighten everything up. So let's start it up. All right, so we're going to start it up and let you guys hear it. Normally in most of the cars with the rear mount, you're going to hear a little bit of vibration sometimes on the dash once the mount's installed because it is, you know, a lot firmer than stock. And the one thing about this though, I do have the straight pipe on it with the dump, so there is some rattles from that, but let's see what you guys think. It's going to be hard in the video, but so, 0 rattles on the dash. I've already driven it around, started it several times. The only thing I feel vibration-wise a little bit is just on the pedal from the mount. But usually the normal gripe of, oh, there's a small rattle on my dash, you know, what's wrong? I don't have it on here, and I think because Honda have done a good job with the interior, and the navigation support up here in the center of the dash is probably keeping a lot more stuff secure and stable. So good news, we're going to test it out for a week, and then we're going to put on the side mounts from Hasport, and that'll probably give a little bit more vibration. So the main reason we're doing these, number one, is to stop engine movement and basically wheel hop when you're launching the car at a drag strip, basically just to get the power planted to the ground. The side mounts are also going to help for cornering too, for the engine movement. So you're just going to have a much firmer setup. So thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe. We'll probably be adding the mount on our website at www.axionind.com. And stay tuned.